Tonight we wrap up day 2 with an all-SEC affair as conference newcomer Texas takes on the Ole Miss Rebels. Third and final game of the day is underway with a pitch inside from Harrison. Flores gobbles it up, and a 1-2-3 first inning for Luke Harrison starts the game. Swung on to right field and a base hit for Ballou. Flores is going to stop at third base, but the Longhorns strike first. They're on top 1-0. Swung on left field. Mormon going back. He looks and he makes the catch. No, he dropped it. It's out of his glove. And the Longhorns are going to score 2 runs off the play. Gasparino rounds third. Here's a throw to home. It gets cut off. 2 more runs score. 5-0 Texas. Here comes Mendoza around third. 6-0 Texas. And he'll drive it and run on an RBI walk. That'll score Schussler. Makes it 7-0 Texas. Swing and a miss. Second strikeout for Hooks. The Longhorns leave the bases loaded, but man, the damage was done by Texas. 7-run score in the inning for the Longhorns. We head to the 5th. Texas on top, 7-0 over Ole Miss. Luke Harrison, 6 strong innings so far for Texas. 6 scoreless frames, in fact, for the Longhorns. He struck out 6. No walks given up, just 2 hits. A look back at some of the strikeouts for Harrison tonight.
What a performance by this. Look at his teammates. They acknowledge it. Coaches acknowledge it. When he comes off this mound and heads to the dugout, he is going to get all kinds of standing ovation by the Longhorn fans.
That ball driven deep to right center field. At the track, at the wall. It is gone. 2-run ball, Max Ballou. It's 9-0 Texas. Mendoza's been on a couple of times tonight for the Longhorns. A base hit and a walk. Has also scored a run. Has a chance here to end the game early. Swung on to left field. That's going to do it. A base hit will end the game. Texas run rules Ole Miss here in the 3rd and final game of the day.
I'll tell you what, Texas was good tonight offensively, including Mendoza, and Luke Harrison was really good tonight.